Hey guys, so quick story time. Actually, I had this Tornado V2 unboxed a month ago. I was working on the review video of the Tornado V2. I was working really hard and I had also mentioned that it will be one of the best videos I will have ever made on this channel. But one of the worst thing happened. Literally the corner piece broke.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
And guys, that's why I had to buy this big boy over here, the Weilong WR M 3x3, the Worm 2021. And I got the light version because I think this is a better deal because it reduces the cost of just the packaging and you get all the accessories, so it's just a big deal for you. So let's just unbox it real quick. Oh, that was too easy. Accessories box. Oh wow, we got this cube. Yeah, nothing in there. Let's first check out the accessories box. So we got this really nice Moyu screw, and then we have all these stuff. Oh, what is this? Yo, what is this? So we have these for the magnet settings, adjusting the magnet setting. So we have this thingy over here, wherein you have to put this thingy into this thingy. I know, very confusing. So I don't know what are these stuffs for. I need to go through the pamphlet or something. Okay, we have this. Okay, so we have those things. What to do? Oh, so it's for the tensioning system. As you can see, that's its use over here. Hope you can read Chinese. Okay, so this comes in a really nice box. I did not expect such a box. So let's just open it real quick. Okay. Oh, this is quite light and 1 millimeter small. Like I told. For the Tornado V2. Yup, it's almost the same size, I guess. Anyways, without any further ado, let's get straight into the first tones. Yeah. Wow, this cube, it has a very nice texture though. It's like glossy plus frosted. So, whoa! This cube is nice though. It has a very unique feel, which is a very good thing for 3x3s. It's very stable, at the same time being really fast. This is absolutely insanely fast though, out of the box. I need to change the settings a bit, so this cube feels really nice. I can actually spam TPS. It's a very satisfying cube though. And I really like this new logo by Moyu. This is definitely a main worthy cube. And it has these white internals which give the cube a very nice look. So as you can see, like there are these magnet settings over here which you can adjust. So there's like 1, 2, 3 or something numbers over here. I don't know if you all can see from the camera, but I can see that there are numbers. So yup, definitely a main, not at all a bad cube. I'm pretty sure people like Branson and Cube for Speed are going to main this cube because they have a really insane TPS, and the fact that their cube even breaks or sometimes lockups due to their insane TPS, but this cube can literally hold any type of TPS. In-depth review on this cube coming very soon. So guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and goodbye.